Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss about two paradigms of research, and we will discuss inductive and deductive reasoning in research methodology as well. So methodology, as I've already been discussed about methodology, it refers to general principles which underline how the investigation is going on, right? And research methods, these refer to practical issues of choosing an appropriate research design. So we will also discuss about research design as well. There are two research designs, qualitative and quantitative. We will differentiate between them as well. So this is called research wheel, right? So these four processes, they make a wheel, and this is called research wheel. First we have theory, hypothesis, observation, and patterns. So in this research wheel, we have two type of reasoning that is used in our research: inductive reasoning and deductive reasoning. I think you might know about this kind of reasoning as well, inductive reasoning and deductive reasoning. So let's discuss again. Inductive reasoning is the type of reasoning in which you move from a specific observation, and you just draw a general concept, or draw a general conclusion, right? For example, you can say that so let's discuss an example of induction. So in induction, let's take an example. For example, you saw a pigeon, right? A specific pigeon, and you observe that it flies. So you make from that, you make generalization that all birds can fly, right? You make a general statement that all birds can fly. So this is inductive reasoning, right? So we will discuss with reference to research. So in research, but we use inductive reasoning while we conducting, or when we using qualitative research. Inductive reasoning is using qualitative research, where we don't have the theory. Initially we don't have the theory, but we generate theory, right? We have observation with us, and through this observation, and we move towards data collection and data analysis, and after this we just generate theory in inductive, using inductive reasoning, and it is used in qualitative research. Where on the other hand, we have deductive reasoning, which moves from general to specific. First we have general principles, and then using these we just move on to specific conclusion. So with respect to research, deductive reasoning is using quantitative research. So we have the theory with us. In quantitative research, we have theory with us. Initially we have the theory, and we make hypothesis, right? We test it. So it is utilizing quantitative research. So we will further discuss in detail about this inductive thinking and deductive thinking as well. Inductive thinking is also known as bottom up approach, because at the bottom we have observation, and at the very top we generate the theory. So begin with at the bottom we have observation, then pattern, then tentative hypothesis, and then we generate the theory, right? These four processes, they make research wheel, right? And deductive thinking is also known as top down theory, because at the top we have theory with us. Initially in quantitative research, deduction is used, deductive thinking is used, and we have theory with us, and then from that theory we generate hypothesis and make observation and test that hypothesis, and come to confirm that hypothesis, right, through observation. And in quantitative approach, we use deductive reasoning, right? So we have theory with us, we just make hypothesis out of that and apply research design or research instruments and data collection, data analysis, interpretation of that data, and come to the conclusion, right? We test that hypothesis through deductive reasoning, using deductive reasoning. Whereas in qualitative approach, we use inductive reasoning. Initially we don't have theory with us, but we have observation, issue, or the setting, and using that observation, interviews, right, data collection through different methods and field works, interviews, transcript, right, and literature review, and we analyze that data and come to conclusion and draw a theory, make a theory, generate a theory using inductive reasoning in qualitative approach. And further quantitative research. So there we will discuss the types of research in separate video, and we will differentiate between quantitative and qualitative research as well. So in this short video, you just need to understand the two paradigms, or to just understand the qualitative approach and quantitative approach, and inductive and deductive thinking. So we will discuss in the next video difference between qualitative and quantitative research. Thank you for watching.